Hi there, friends of Emotional Outlet. My name's Hannah, and today I'm going to walk you through our Just Arrived section on our website. The first thing you should notice on our homepage here are the Just Arrived banners on the top right corner of the product images, and you can find all of them under the category New Additions on the left side here. Once you click that, you can scroll through all of our new inventory that we just added. Once you reach the bottom of the page, you can click Next Page or the number 2. There could be more or less items depending on the day, but be sure to check back often. Not only do these items go quickly, but they will only reside in the Just Arrived or New Additions section for 5 days. Once you find something you like, don't forget you have the option to pick it up in store or have it shipped right to you. And be sure to look through all the beautiful pictures, and once you're ready, you can add it to your cart. Thank you for shopping at Emotional Outlet.